Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Tenysiah for those of you that may be new. And today, like usual, I'm going to be creating a fall makeup look. So if you guys want to see how I get ready, then just keep watching the video. So the first thing that you guys see me doing here is I'm taking some of my Vaseline and just rubbing that all over my lips. It's winter time out here and my lips are getting chapped like crazy. So there I just put some concealer and it was in the shade 40 Caramel by Maybelline, and I'm going to go into my Delicious W7 palette and blend those two browns together to make a transition shade. So this next color I'm going into is a soft coral color, and I'm going to take that and put that directly underneath my first color and try and blend those two seamless. So now I'm ready to cut the crease, and I'm using my same concealer color. It's a shade 40 Caramel. So now for the star of the show, we're going into that orange. I'm so excited to use this color, and I'm just gonna pack that into where I cut my crease. So I'm really pushing the product onto the brush and really stamping it onto my lid, not really blending. So guys, I'm gonna cheat a little bit and go into my Too Faced palette, and there's this kind of metallic coral color, and I'm gonna take that with my finger and dust it a little bit just on top of the orange. Now I'm going to start going back into my previous colors that I used just to reinforce them and make sure that they're blended nicely into the orange. I'm going back into that chocolatey brown color, and I'm going to put that in the outer corner of my crease again, just to kind of give it a bit more drama and to kind of, make this a real look. Okay guys, so over here I'm using my Fenty matchstick. It's in the shade Rum, and I love this highlighter. It is so bomb. Like, of course, because it's Rihanna, and we all love Rihanna. But also too, I've been like seeing a lot of other people do reviews about it, and everybody talks about how small the product is. But I mean, if you really think about how pigmented it is, you don't need a lot of product. Like, a little goes a long way, and I really can't see myself actually finishing the whole matchstick before it's like expiry date, if you know what I mean, because it's a lot of product. It really is. So guys, I just finished lining my lips with my Annabelle lip liner, and I'm putting on some lipstick. I think it's Everything Peachy by Too Faced. Yeah, I always love putting on Too Faced cosmetics. And right there, I'm just dusting on some gloss. It's a Karl Lagerfeld gloss. And then, of course, mascara on the lashes, and we're pretty much ready to go. So yes, guys, this is the finished look. Let me just take down my hair and start feeling myself even more. This look is so bomb, so pretty, so perfect for fall. Yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.